Video, I will show you how to edit PowerPoint files directly on your mobile phone step by step. So before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Alright, let's get started. So step 1, download the PowerPoint file. Let's say your teacher or colleague has sent you a PowerPoint file to edit, maybe through email, WhatsApp or any social media app. First, download the file from wherever you receive it. Once downloaded it will automatically appear in your phone's download folder. Now that's the file is saved, let's move on to editing it. To edit a PPT on your phone, you will need the Microsoft PowerPoint app. Open your Play Store or App Store, search for Microsoft PowerPoint, tap install. It's completely free and officially from Microsoft. Once installed, open the app. You will see all your recent files and an option to open new ones. In the PowerPoint app, tap open, then choose this device and select downloads. Find your downloaded file and tap it. Your presentation will now open in the PowerPoint app just like on a laptop or PC. At the top, you will see a pencil icon. Tap it to enable edit mode. Now you can edit the text or titles, change the design or background themes, adjust fonts and colors, insert images or duplicate slides. To change the theme, open the menu bar at the bottom. Now tap design and choose any theme that fits your style or your teacher's requirements. Sometimes certain fonts may not display properly. If that happens, simply select the text box, tap the pencil icon again, go to home, then font name and pick a standard font like Arial or Calibri. Your text will now appear correctly. Once you are done editing, tap the three dots in the top right corner, select save as, give your file a name and hit save. Now tap share, choose full document. If you want to send it back to your teacher, select presentation format, not PDF. Pick Gmail or any other app. Enter your teacher's email and tap send. Within seconds, your updated PowerPoint will be delivered. To make sure everything worked, open your sent mail and check the attachment. You will see your edited PowerPoint file there, ready for your teacher to review. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.